Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be cooking egusi soup, melon soup, one of my favorite soup. Okay, so here are the basic ingredients I'll be using, and this is egusi, melon, this is meat, stock fish, dry fish, seasoning cube, chicken, crayfish, bitter leaf, salt, pepper, onions. Okay, so here, and of course I have here red oil. So these are the basic ingredients I'll be cooking with today. So friends, if you are still interested in this video, just keep watching. So to cook this delicious egusi soup, I'm going to start by cooking the meat. I just added water into the pot. Next, I'll pour in the meat. So I'm starting with this meat because this meat is hard to cook. So next I'll be adding the stock fish into the meat, so they will all boil together. I just added water to the meat, which is enough to cook the meat, to soften the meat. So at this point in time, I'm going to cover the pot. So guys, this is 30 minutes after I started boiling the meat. I'm going to check the meat at this point in time. The meat is a very hard meat, so this is why it's advisable to cook the meat first. this point in time, our delicious egusi soup, our melon soup, is ready. I'm super excited. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find amazing value in this video. How to cook egusi soup, how to cook melon soup. I mean, easy way to cook egusi soup. So friends, at this point in time, our soup is super ready. I'm going to turn off the gas completely and allow it to cool down. Thank you friends for watching. Please like, share this video, share this amazing egusi soup recipe. Easy way to cook egusi soup. Delicious egusi soup. Guys, check out this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'll see you guys in the comment section as well as see you all in my next video. Bye.